Hey friends, who's hungry? Cheesy Chicken Bacon Ranch Tater Tot Casserole is a freezer-friendly meal made with a homemade cream sauce, shredded chicken, bacon, and crispy tater tots. In a small saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour and cook for 1 minute until bubbly. Slowly add 1 cup of chicken broth and whisk until the liquid is lump-free. Add half a cup of milk and continue whisking for about 3 to 5 minutes until the liquid is thickened. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and salt and pepper to taste. Next, add 4 cups of shredded chicken, 1 1-ounce packet of ranch seasoning, 1 8-ounce container of sour cream, 1 1/2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and 1 2.5-ounce bag of bacon bits. Stir until the ingredients are evenly mixed. Remove the pot from the heat and preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Spread the chicken mixture evenly in the baking dish and top with a layer of frozen tater tots. Bake uncovered for 35 to 40 minutes until the tater tots are golden and crispy. Sprinkle half a cup of additional shredded cheddar cheese on top. Return the casserole to the oven for 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese melts. Let the casserole cool slightly, then garnish with green onions or parsley if desired and serve warm. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.